In part 1 we have learned how to assign a chart of depreciation to company code and what are the configurations required for creating a chart of depreciation and all. So this is a part 2. We will take forward the next steps, like after assigning a chart of depreciation to company code, what is required. So we'll save this one. It's already saved. Go back. Now we'll go to asset accounting again. So we'll minimize everything. We'll go to asset accounting. Under asset accounting, we'll go to general valuation. Go to general valuation. Under general valuation, go to currencies. Under currencies, define depreciation area for foreign currencies. Execute this one. And our company code is P001. Double click on depreciation area currency. So here you will see the depreciation area and the currencies which are going to use. So here you will see currency INR and USD. Okay, nothing is required. If it is not maintained, you have to maintain currency. Now we'll go back, minimize this one. Now we'll go to asset classes. So for the asset class, what we have to do is we'll go to organizational structure. Under organizational structure, click on asset class. Under asset class, click on specify account determination. Execute this one. So for our case, we'll create machinery. So what I will do is I will copy this one and I will give them name as P001 and the asset will be P001 and press enter and save. So we have created account determination as machinery. After account determination, we'll create a screen layout. Go back and below this we have a screen layout. Execute this one. So select this one machinery, copy it, and I will give the same naming P001 and machinery P001. Press enter and save. Now go back. After screen layout, we'll go to define number ranges and company code. Our company code is P001. Click on intervals and PZPO. Give the number range as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press enter and save. You can give other number ranges also. I am giving these number ranges to the assets which we are going to create. So this is how we can create a number ranges for the assets. Once the number ranges are created, now we'll define our asset class. So with all these three combination, like let me show you what are the three combinations. Go back. This combination, account determination, screen layout and number ranges, will create a asset class. Execute. Here click on new entries and give the asset class name as P001 only. If you want, you can give different names, but for learning purpose only I am giving the same name so that It is easy to remember. And account determination, if you want, if I click here, you will see P001 or account determination is there. Select this one, and the screen layout also I will show you, or account determination P001 is there, and the number range PO we have created, that is also there. Let me go to number range P001, so it's there. Double click on it, so you will see P0. So once all this configuration is done, and click on save. After this, we'll directly save this one. Go back, minimize all these screens. Okay, now we are in asset accounting again. Under asset accounting, what we have to do is we have to go to depreciation. Under depreciation, go to calculation methods. Sorry, it's valuation methods. Under valuation method, go to depreciation key. Under depreciation key, go to calculation methods. Under calculation methods, click on define multi-level method. Execute this one and create a chart of depreciation. P001 is there. Under this, if you want, you can select your own, or if you want, you can create the new one. So what I will do is I will create the new one. Click on new entries, give multi-level method any naming or anything, that is fine. So what I will do is I will give multi-level method as P00, P001 from ordinary start date. Select this one and double click on levels and click on new entry here, and acquisition year just give 999, number of years give 999. Here just select how many months, let's say it will be like 12 months or 00365, that is fine. Base value, acquisition value, and percentage, if you want you can give the percentage, that is also fine. We'll select percentage as 10, and here acquisition is, we will give it as 12 and click on save. So this is how we can create a depreciation key. And click on save. Once this is done, what we have to do is we have to maintain a depreciation key. Go back, this multi-level method is created. After this, click on maintain depreciation key. So here what we can do is we can create a new depreciation key. Click here, The depreciation key will be P001, P001, depreciation to the date. Click on assignment calculation method. Click on new entries. Here we have to give details like baseline method. We will select ordinary after end of the life. Decline baseline method. We will select 001. Period control. We will select the standard one, and multi-level method, the one which we have created, that is P000. And here class straight line depreciation, increase in depreciation useful life, that is okay. This is also fine, we will not change here anything, and click on save. This will be ordinary depreciation, and this will be from start depreciation. Click on save. So check what warning message we are getting. After planned life and depreciation with depreciation on remaining life. Okay, the method remaining useful life is only mathematically logic during the useful life of the asset. The transaction that take place in the useful life expired can no longer be depreciating the method. Yeah, that is fine. This is just a warning. Ignore it. If you don't want that warning message, you can go to multi-level method and remove that checkbox which we have selected. Go back. Go back. Save. Go back. So this is how we have created the depreciation, and here you will see it is showing as inactive. So here we have the option of active. Click on the active. So this has been activated. Okay, once this is done, we'll go to asset accounting again. If you want, you can minimize everything so that we will not have a confusion. Now this is a high note. Under this, go to general valuation. Under general valuation, go to depreciation area in asset class. Execute this one. So click on position, select our asset class, select this one, and click on depreciation area, deactivate these two, give the layout. So here the standard layout we will take 1000, give it here and press enter. You will see automatically coming here. So we'll give the depreciation key which we have created, P001. Yeah, where is P001? Give this depreciation key P001 here, P001 here, press enter and save. If you want, you can give the useful life also, that is fine. Without that also it's okay. Save this and go back. So minimize this one, minimize general asset accounting. After that, we'll create a asset under asset accounting. go to asset accounting, go to integration with general ledger accounting. Under that, create technical clearing account for integration of asset acquisition. Click this and select the first option. Execute this one. So here you will see ITC is our chart of account. So I will show you our chart of account also, as we have copied OBY6. If I go to OBY6, sorry, then go to company code P001. Our chart of asset is chart of account is ITC. Now slash n, go back. Now we'll go to FS00. I will show you the GL account which we have created here. So this is a GL account and our company code is P001. Press enter. So this we have created as a technical clearing account, and it will be a part of asset accounting balance sheet as an account type. Control data, we have to give the recon account here, asset, and create bank interest. You can give G007 or G001 is also fine. So once, yeah, G007, this is also fine, this is also based upon the requirement. So basically G00 is okay. So this is how we can create a technical clearing account. Now we'll go back, close this node, go back, minimize this one. Then we have an integrated transaction of alternative document type. Go to this transaction and it will ask for specify alternative document type for accounting principle and specific document. Click on execute. So here we have to give the asset related document types. If it is not there, we have to give, and the document types which we are going to use, like KR, KA, SA, which are linked to asset accounting, that we have to specify here. After this, go back and select this one. Define separate document type for company code. Execute this. If you want, you can give like this, or else if you want, you can select this, copy it, and give your company code. That is also fine. P001. Press enter and save it. You can give wide range. When it is blank, it is applicable for all. If you give the company code, then it is applicable for the company code. Once this configuration is done, then save it. Go back, minimize all the screens again. Then here, go to integration with general ledger accounting. Under this, click on additional account assignment object. Here, click on specify account types for account assignment objects. Click on execute. Click on position and give the company code P001. Select this one. Click on depreciation area. Select depreciation area and do it for all the depreciation areas. Or if you want, you can do it for depreciation area 01. That is also fine. If you want, you can do it for all the depreciation areas. So we'll select this one and double click on account assignment object. Click on new entries. Here, give the profit center. star. Okay, then again profit center star, depreciation values. Now segment star, APC values, segment star, depreciation run, cost center star, APC values, cost center star, depreciation run, and select the account assignment checkbox. Press enter and save it. So for that, what we will do is, for next one we'll copy this. We'll see how many are copying, remaining we will do it manually. Go back, escape, yes, go back now, back, select book depreciation, double click on SN, click on new entries, copy paste. So here we have to select all this information again, select account assignment and click on save. So this is how we can assign the account assignment objects. Then we'll go to financial accounting. If you want to do a screen related any master data changes, you can do it. So for that, what we will do is, let me show you the configuration where it is there. If you want to change the screen layouts or something, so here go to depreciation and go to master data, sorry, under asset accounting go to master data, under master data go to screen layout, under the screen layout define screen layout for asset master, define screen layout for depreciation area. All this information is there. So just click on execute. We are not going to change anything here, we are just checking like what is there here. Basically P001, here it will show you which fields are required, which fields are not mandatory, all this information. Just select this one, click on field group. So here you will see we required or optional, any all the information will be available here. So we are not going to do anything, whatever the SAP standard is there, that is fine. Again for depreciation area also, so we have selected 001,000 earlier, so check this one. We also have these details for depreciation area. After that, there is one more step, let me show you that one. Go back, and go to asset accounting. Under asset accounting, organizational structure, sorry, integration with general ledger accounting. Under this assign GL accounts, just click on that. So select this one, chart of account, click on account determination, click on position, give your account determination P001, select this one, click on balance sheet accounts, double click on the first one, give the GL accounts here. So I will show you, I already created this one, so I will show you how we have to create. So control N, go to FS00, press enter, and this is the GL account 018. So give this GL account, press enter. So here we have created as a car, so I will just change this as a machinery. So here machinery, and in control data you will be creating this as an assets recon account, and create bank interest. Give the recon account details here, G067. Click on save. So this is a GL account we have assigned here, and loss made. So for the loss account we have created like this, as this is not a related to our core business primary cost or a revenue. That is the reason we have considered this as a non-operating expense and income. So here we don't need to give the cost element here. The same way we have created revenue GLs. This is the revenue GL. So this is also created as a non-operating expense and income. No need to give recon account or anything. That is fine. And here you can give G029 or anything is fine as per the requirement. So this is how we have created the GLs. The same GLs I have used. Based upon the requirement, you can create 4 different GLs and assign here. Just for learning purpose, I have used the same GLs. And click on depreciation area. Click on book depreciation area and give the accumulated depreciation area and the expense GL here. So accumulated depreciation area is 09. So I will show you this GL also, the information. So here you will see. So let me change this to machinery. This is an accumulated depreciation area, ACC, and AC. In control data we have to create this as an recon account. Give this as a recon G067 and save it. So this is how we have given accumulated depreciation area, and this is a real depreciation GL. Give this GL, and here if you want you can give G0404. Control data we will not consider this as a recon account. Type and description we'll give it as a non-operating and expense GL and depreciation GL. Save this one, and now we'll do it the same thing for depreciation area 002. It's taking long time. So after this configuration I will close this part 2 and we'll create a part 3. So copy this one, click on balance sheet, click on next entry here. We'll give the GL accounts. See, GLs you can create as per your requirement. That is not an issue. So I just shown you like how we can create the GLs and all. So you can create as per your requirement. So I have assigned the same GLs to depreciation area 02 also. Okay, save. So this is how we can assign the GL accounts to a account determination under chart of accounts. So in the next part we'll continue on the remaining configuration. Thank you.